Welcome to our channel. Today we are going to show you how to add a profile photo on the Zangi app. If you are new to Zangi or want to personalize your account, this video will guide you through the process clearly and easily. First, open the Zangi app on your phone. Next, tap on the settings icon located at the bottom right corner. Then select Profile from the list of options. Then click on the edit icon at the top of your profile page. After that, click on the photo field. A prompt will appear asking for confirmation, so click on Agree to continue. Then click on Choose Photo. Next, choose a photo from your gallery that you would like to set as your profile picture. Once you have selected your desired photo, click on the crop option located at the top right. Finally, click on the Save icon at the top right to apply your changes. Your new profile photo will now be visible to all your contacts on Zangi. This process is simple, but makes your account more personal and recognizable. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.